GG Squad, this is Shez back with another video brought by Girls for God. Today we're making another dip. This is in our dip mini series. It's another quick, easy and simple dip that you can make for something for school. It's easy enough to make for an afternoon snack or something to whip up when you've got friends over for the weekend. Today's dip is beetroot hummus. 425 gram tin of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 2 tablespoons of tahini. 1 garlic clove. You can either have garlic clove or a teaspoon of mashed garlic. 1 lemon. Now we're only using half of a lemon, so if you want to pre-juice or if you've got half a lemon left over from something else. 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. 250 grams of beetroot, drained. Now this, we are using whole beetroot, but you can use diced or sliced, however, whatever you prefer, whatever you've got at home. We're using some fresh coriander, but you can also use coriander, ground coriander if you don't have fresh. Some pepper, olive oil, salt. So for this recipe, we are using a stick mix because this is an attachment that comes. If you don't have a stick mix with the bowl attachment, you can use a normal stick mix, you can use a blender, or you can use a food processor. So, very simple. It might have a few ingredients, but it's all going in together. So we pour our chickpeas, cumin, tahini, the easiest way to peel and get rid of garlic is just to squash it and it all comes off. You can just put it in here. We want a pinch of pepper. Now you can change that. Pinch of salt once you've tasted it. We've got our beetroot. Okay, squeeze your lemon in. Now if you're worried about seeds, you can always strain it through your fingers and catch all the seeds. Some coriander. Okay, now we are going to blitz this as it is. Once it's fully combined, we're going to add some olive oil. Blitz this until it is all combined and there are no big chunks. Okay, so we've almost got a creamy consistency. It's getting a little bit thick for my mixed master. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little touch of olive oil. Okay, so we're almost done. Just adding a little bit more olive oil just to cream it up a little bit. Give it a bit of a mix. And it's ready to serve. So there you have it, our beetroot and hummus dip. Quick, easy and simple, something you can make for a school lunch, afternoon tea or a lovely snack when your friends are around for the weekend. Until next time, bye. For a weekend, something for your friends. Hi GG Squad, this is Shez again with here again with another recipe.